Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Royal Judy, and today I'm gonna tell you how to do a tuna sandwich. Well, this is my first try of doing it, like literally my first try. So basically I got this from a video, the link of it is down below. And I wanted to share it guys with you. I still gonna taste it and say what are my comments on it. But I felt like it's nice as the ingredients, and the girl was doing it, she made me kind of positive, so I said why don't I try it. So now I'm gonna tell you the ingredients. So we have here some green onion, or I don't know how do you call it, but it's like basal or whatever. And here we have some celery, some parsley, some lemon, tuna, and she said that we use the skipjack tuna. 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, or she said 2 tablespoons, but it would be so much. Like literally, see, this is already so much. Now I have some lemon and on it some salt and the tuna, and we have gonna put them in a bowl. Now let's start doing it. So guys, be with me. I have online school like after 7 minutes. Oh my god. So now let's just finish it up. So I have some, I'm gonna put the ingredients in. I'm kind of fast because I have school. Maybe I will won't have time to eat this. The parsley in, the lemon. I'm gonna just make it some salt. She did not say that, but like why not? Don't tell me this would make difference in taste. Now we got to add the tuna. Okay. So I put the tuna. Now it's time to get those ingredients all together. And also put them in a toast and the last. Okay. So they got mixed out. Good. That's nice. Yeah, but the lemon is kind of so much. And it's tasty. Yani, the ingredients are so much, which I like. I think it's amazing. 4 minutes left. So basically you saw it. Now it's better also put it on a toast. 2 toasts. Okay, one up and one down. Put some of this. Then put in a cheese. She said that. Put in the cheese and then put toast and then put it in the water. So also I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do it. Come back to you. Not sure what that cheese thingy, because I think it's already creamy. Not to put some cheese. I'm gonna put mozzarella but not cheddar. Okay, so I'm back and it's done. So as you see, here it is. I finished my online schooling already, like the lesson, not the whole online schooling. So I'm just gonna do this video of half an hour till the next lesson. Yeah. So actually, don't say that I have a break between each lesson and lesson, half an hour. No, but this teacher, he finished a little bit early because he have to go to some other classes in the same hour. So yeah. So this is it. She said in the video we put butter up, butter down, which I really wished I could do it, but I don't have butter in my house. So I'm just gonna eat it. Let's see. I already tasted the tuna and it tasted nice. And I'm gonna taste the sandwich. Of course it's the same. Okay, so my opinion is the thing is not really good with mozzarella. Maybe good with cheddar, but it's not good with mozzarella. It's better without. So I advise you to not eat it like this. And eat it alone. Better. I regret the time eating it like this. Like it was so better without the thing. So don't forget to subscribe, like, enjoy this video. The video's down if you wanna you know, description box. If you wanna see it and do as it does, not as I do. This was just a comment on what I did and a comment on the video. It's nice. The tuna is nice. The person who created this tuna is so nice. I used the skipjack tuna at the same as she said. The only thing that is missing between my tuna and her tuna is there's no butter here. And I didn't use mozzarella. So if you want to use it as she did, do it. The video's down. Follow what she does. See ya and do your comment video on the sandwich. She said that she really loves if you guys share the video. So why won't we share it? We're gonna share it. She deserves it. I have no idea about the channel. I just saw the video. She got me some positive energy and I liked her.